Here we have our new water pump. Timing cover is installed with the new oil pump inside. I showed you that. That orifice right there is the cam sensor. We will be installing that. We'll be installing oil pressure sending unit right there. And here is one of the oil cooler lines. Here is the port that has the oil bypass valve in it. Remember, we showed you that on the bench. And so that's where it is in relation to the engine. It's pretty easy to get to when it's in the vehicle. And of course, the oil filter. And here is the other orifice for the cooling lines. And nice new gasket. And we will, here's the oil pressure sending unit orifice. And that's what I'll use to prime the engine. After the engine's in the vehicle, I will use a small 12-volt pump, and I will prime the engine full of oil. That's a junk tensioner that will be replaced with a brand new one.
Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.